Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk about side sit-ups, the prep version you can do on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So, isn't it nice that we can practice our side sit-ups in different places? There's so many places to do side sit-ups. The reformer, the Cadillac, the one to chair, your spine corrector, and your ladder barrel. And I really love this version because it's quite a prep version for all of them. And I included it in the flashcard decks for onlinepilatesclasses.com and the barrels deck because I really wanted you to understand that you don't have to do the other ones because they're quite big. And yes, I'll show those in another video. So if you haven't gotten your flashcards from us yet, please do. And if you have, and that's why you're here, thank you so much. Let me know what your favorite cards are in the comments below. All right, so have this poll here because I could use it, but let me show you the two versions. So there's two options in the prep, I should say. So you want to set your feet up on this frame. The top leg will be in the back, and then your bottom foot in the front, and you're going to squeeze your outer hips together. Then your hands interlace behind your head. This is easier than the pole. And then you're going to side bend up and over this barrel, and then side bend up and over an imaginary barrel. And the goal here is that we don't twist or worse, go down. We want to go out and over and out and up and out and over and out and up. Okay. If it's really easy, it's going well, then you do want to grab your pole, take your arms up, and you're going to go out and over and out and up and out and over. And this makes you a little heavier, makes it a little harder, but you get to really practice the length of your side bend. Make sure you do both sides. And then remember, if you have a side that's not as strong, you can do that's the weaker side first, then the strong side, then the weaker side again. All right, let me know how this feels in your body. Ask any questions you have in the comments below. We go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.